Welcome to this comprehensive review of Bisq, the decentralized peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange that redefines how we think about trading. Bisq allows you to trade cryptocurrencies securely without requiring registration or personal information, making it a favorite for privacy-conscious traders. The platform operates without central servers, ensuring no single point of failure and providing unmatched security. Getting started on Bisq is simple. Download the software, install it on your device, and open the application. The intuitive user interface guides you through the setup process, including connecting your preferred payment methods and understanding the trading fees, which are transparent and competitive. Once set up, you can browse available offers or create your own, choosing from a wide array of supported fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Bisq operates on a reputation system, adding an extra layer of trust between users. Every trade is secured by multi-signature wallets and deposits, ensuring safety for both parties. Furthermore, Bisq's open-source nature invites continuous improvements from its active community, making it one of the most resilient and innovative exchanges in the market. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Bisq also features a built-in arbitration system to resolve disputes, giving users peace of mind when trading. The platform's focus on decentralization and privacy aligns with the original philosophy of cryptocurrencies, making it an ideal choice for Bitcoin enthusiasts and beyond. By maintaining your data's security and avoiding central oversight, Bisq empowers you to truly own your trading experience. Don't miss out on learning everything you need to know about Bisq. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of crypto exchanges.